Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. And you guys, in this video, I didn't think I'd be making this again. I didn't think I'd be making this video, but we are going to be doing the low FODMAP SIBO diet. I wanted to vlog this journey with you guys. Today is day 1. It is 11/11 and oh my goodness, I'm a little nervous. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. If you know, you know. It's a very limited diet. I love fruit and I have to give up fruit. I'm committing to giving up fruit for 7 days, and then I'm gonna slowly incorporate it back in and see if it causes any bloating or triggering of my body, because I really want to get rid of these gases. I really want to get rid of this SIBO, and hopefully next week or the week after I will be starting the protocol that my holistic doctor has given me once we get all the medications in and ready. It's just been like a struggle with insurance and having the medication and just all the things. If this is content that you guys like to see, don't forget to like and subscribe and come along this journey with me. Are you struggling with SIBO gut issues too? Leave me a hands up emoji or let me know in the comments down below, because I want to feel less alone and I want to be able to support you along your journey as well. Let me know what you guys are doing to help heal your gut. What kind of support are you guys looking for? And yeah, so I'm going to show you guys some new recipes that I find along the way. And honestly, I think I'm just going to do check-ins, like how I'm feeling, how it's going, what I've been doing, kind of a thing, just because it's going to be a process. It's going to be a long journey and I don't want this to be too long. So, okay. All right, you guys, I already filmed my SIBO and psoriatic arthritis update. If you guys haven't seen that, I will link that above and in the description box down below for you. I have lots of videos on SIBO and psoriatic arthritis and just my journey. So if you guys need more love and support, or you guys just want to know a little bit more about me, go check those out. Today is day 1 and I wanted to check in because I want to document this journey. I'm going to link the low FODMAP SIBO protocol that I'm following in the description box down below so you guys can check that out if you are struggling with SIBO gut issues. It's just something that my holistic doctor has given me and it's been an excellent resource. Now, I started this diet 2 years ago, around this time. Actually, it was 2 years ago, almost to the date, where I started this protocol. And if I'm 100% honest, like I never fully gave up fruit ever, just because it was such a shock for me. You guys, I eat a lot of fruit. If you guys follow me, you guys know I eat my apple and peanut butter. You guys know I love my banana in my smoothies. And so I've decided like I need to get back on this diet because I'm just ready to feel better. I've been in a psoriatic arthritis flare for a while now, and I just feel like the quicker I get my inflammation levels down, the better. And if you guys want to know about like the SIBO protocol that I'm doing with my holistic doctor, I'm going to be filming that as well. So I'm starting with diet right now because I know that that's something that I can do right now to start reducing the inflammation in my gut. So I am starting this low FODMAP SIBO, and I'm a paleo based eater because that's what feels good for me and my body. I've done an elimination diet and I just know that with my arthritis, eating grains and stuff is just not good for me in any quantity really. I can do like a little bit of oats and I can do a little bit of rice, or at least I thought I could until all of this. So when my gut is in a good place, I can do oats and I can do a little bit of rice, but other than that, not a lot. So I'm venturing in this journey. I'm really nervous and I wanted to talk to you guys today. So today all I've eaten is eggs and chicken because I'm nervous to eat anything else. Mostly because all I really want is fruit, and I'm 7 days. I'm committing you guys to 7 days of no fruit. I've got like little baby carrots and I've been forced myself to eat cucumber sticks and make lunch every single day, probably chicken on salad or tuna on salad, you know, just try to, but I can't eat too many greens. It's really, really a struggle for me. It's a very limited diet, but it's just a week. So I'm giving it 7 days and then I'm gonna slowly start incorporating the fruit back in. But that's you know, that's for next week. So we'll do a check-in next week. All right, you guys, it has been a very productive day so far. Excuse the mess behind me. We went to Home Depot. We got all the blinds for the windows, like the blackout blinds for the windows. I'm so excited. I am so hungry, guys, and I'm not eating fruit. And of course, the only thing I want is like fruit so bad. Like I just want a half of a banana. I want to make a smoothie. Dang it. So I'll show you guys what I'm gonna have for lunch. I think I'm just gonna put some tuna on salad with some tomatoes maybe. I don't know, I'm already bored and it's only day 2. So I just wanted to check in and let you guys know how I'm feeling and where I'm at. But so far, this is where I'm at. I'm bored. I've had so many cucumbers and I don't know. I'm not sure how I feel about it. I just miss my apple and banana and blueberries at the end of the night. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm gonna stop. I'll show you guys my lunch when I throw it together. All right, you guys, I've got to jump into some work. This is what I'm having for lunch. It's a 50-50 spring mix, which is the spinach and spring mix, because you guys, I've been getting the regular, just like big thing of Organic Girl, just the spring mix without the spinach in it. And it like rots and molds so fast. I can't ever get through it, but spinach lasts longer. But I honestly think that some of my bloat is happening because I might be eating too much spinach because it's 50-50, and I always put greens in my smoothie, and then I typically eat either greens for breakfast or I put greens with dinner, like do a salad for dinner. So I'm just wondering if maybe part of my bloating is from that, which I guess I'm only having greens now. This is actually good. Okay, I'm happy. I forgot how much I like tuna. All right, I'm gonna eat this. I need to get some work done, and I'll check in with you guys later. Hey guys, checking back in. It is day 3 of no fruit. As you guys saw earlier, I made a new pancake recipe. I'm gonna alter it a little bit and then I'll get it back to you, but it's my day 3 of like carrots and cucumbers. And I just have to say, I think I'm doing well. I don't love it and I miss my fruit. However, I think this is an excellent way to start incorporating more veggies in my life, and I need that. Like, I really need that. So I think it's been a good experience so far. Again, it's day 3, but we're gonna get through. We are at the park right now having a snack. Olivia is in the tree, and we're gonna play and eat our snack, and we'll check in with you guys later. What do you want to tell them? This is my baby kitty in a tree relaxing with her pillow. Say hi. All right, you guys. It's day 4 today. I think I'm feeling better. I feel like I have really bad anxiety. I am hungry. I'm so hungry. And I think honestly, last time, that's why I started to incorporate fruit back into my diet. I had reached out to my holistic doctor because it's so bizarre, because I know protein is supposed to stay in your body longer and help keep you full longer. But I just, like, eggs don't make me full, and I'm just, you guys, like, I had 3 eggs for breakfast. I'm like, what else am I supposed to eat? Like, I can't really eat anything else. So now I'm eating, it's been like an hour and a half since I've eaten breakfast. And I'm just gonna have some leftovers. I'm not even gonna put it on a pretty plate because #momlife, and I don't have time. I'm just gonna have a leftover chicken burger and some roasted butternut squash. It's 10 o'clock in the morning and I'm gonna have lunch for breakfast again because I'm so freaking hungry. It's day 4. We have 3 days left after today, so fingers crossed. Also, because fruit is sweet and I don't like crave sweet things all the time, but like blueberries and apple, like banana, delicious banana. Like, I just want something, I guess. And I found a really delicious looking like SIBO phase 1 like lemon bar, and I'm gonna modify it to make it work for me. I have most of the ingredients. I think I'm gonna do a whole video on SIBO low FODMAP phase 1 recipes. So if you guys are interested in more recipes, stay tuned. Sorry, my dogs think we're going for a walk right now because I just got home from dropping Love off at Tiny Tots. So they're being crazy. If you guys can hear them like chicking all over the house. I gotta jump into some work. I need to eat because I'm really hungry. So this is what I'm eating. So glamorous. Hey guys, I just want to do a quick little check-in. It is day 5 and I am really struggling today. I'm so hungry. Yesterday we had burgers for dinner. I showed you guys we just did burgers with spices in it. Created my own burger spices to put in there. Literally just barbecued those burgers, had a little bit of mixed greens, and then I just did some uncured no sugar bacon. Now I don't know if it was the burger or the bacon, but I did not feel very good last night, which is a total drag. So I'm a little bit concerned about eating that burger for lunch, and I don't have anything else that I can eat for lunch. Yeah. Because I'd planned like food and then leftovers for the next day, and it's not really working out that way. Today's also just been like a very high anxiety day. I'm not feeling good, you guys. I'm not feeling good at all. The anxiety is high, and I have to go grocery shopping tomorrow. We're having pork chops for dinner tonight. I will show you guys that later. But yeah, right now, today, day 5. Day 5 is a struggle. We only have 2 days left. Wish me luck. Oh, I have tuna. I can have tuna for lunch. I'm gonna eat tuna for lunch on salad like I've been eating all week long. I just realized that. That's good. That's good news. We have lunch. Hallelujah. Hey friends. Okay, so it is day 6 of the SIBO diet phase 1. Me and Liv are at the grocery store. I meant to check in earlier. I had 3 eggs for breakfast and I was so hungry. And what I've realized is that I need to set myself up for success in the morning. Like I'm just not eating enough for breakfast. So by like 9:30, 10 o'clock, I am so hungry that I'm shaking. So by the time I got to lunch, like I didn't even film it because I was so hungry that I just ate. I just had leftover pork chops on like a bed of mixed greens and then roasted butternut squash. It was delicious, but I found a website that does, yeah, absolutely. Liv wants to say hi. Hey channel. But I found a website that does like all SIBO phase 1 recipes, and so I'm gonna test them out so that you don't have to. So I'm going into the grocery store to do a good grocery haul, and then over the next couple days I'm going to film like different recipes that I try, whether they're breakfast recipes, lunch recipe, dinner recipe. Like I'm gonna just film a couple different recipes for you. I would do a what I eat in a day, but this is like all new recipes, and that's way too overwhelming for me. Like I can't do all new recipes every single meal for a whole day. I just can't. So keep your eye out because I'm going to be doing a full like testing out new SIBO phase 1 recipes for you guys. I'm really excited. This website, it's all like super basic, very generic. It's like not real pretty, but some of the stuff looks really good. Like one of them's a pulled pork like in lettuce cups, which looks really good. I even found like a SIBO phase 1 gingerbread cookie recipe. So Vlogmas, you guys. Heck yes, we're going to be making some SIBO phase 1 gingerbread recipes. I'm so excited about it. And today is day 6, no fruit, SIBO phase 1. We're going to make it. Tomorrow is the last day, and then I'm going to slowly start to incorporate fruit. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys think it's going to be a half of a banana or apple. Which one do you guys think is going to win? Apple or banana? Put your vote in the comments down below because you know I put a banana in my smoothie and I eat an apple every day. So what do you think I'm going to test first? Let me know in the comments down below. But without further ado, I got to get this kid into the grocery store. All right, you guys, good morning. I'm checking in. Today is day 8. As you guys saw earlier, I did make the SIBO phase 1 pulled pork recipe last night. It was a godsend. It was delicious. It was amazing. I didn't really get a chance to I filmed making it, but I'm gonna put that in the video of like all the low FODMAP SIBO phase 1 recipes, just so you guys have them all there together. But I didn't check in yesterday because I got so incredibly sick yesterday. So I ate eggs yesterday for breakfast, and then I packed snacks to go with me because Liv and I ran a bunch of errands. We had 2 appointments yesterday, and so I brought macadamia nut and carrots, and I was just starving. And so we had to run into Target and pick up some pouches for Liv. And so I was like, you know what? I've eaten Perfect bars this entire time being on the low FODMAP SIBO diet. I was just like, you know what? I'm just gonna grab a Perfect bar. I'm starving. So I ate that. I was totally fine. And then a couple hours later, we were at the salon. You guys, I got violently ill. I threw up at the salon. I was shaking. I almost passed out. Like Doug had to come pick up Liv and I. Like I was so blessed that we had prepped that dinner ahead of time because we got home and dinner was already made for everybody else. Like you guys, it was just not a good day. So I was gonna do a check-in last night, but I was like a hot mess express because she got my hair done, thank goodness, but like in between, like we just had to rinse, and then I was sick, and then it was just not the experience I was expecting. But you know what? that's life sometimes. So I'm actually getting ready to walk into a coffee shop to get some work done. And I wanted to show you guys what snacks I brought with me today, okay? Because we're trying not to be hungry today. So I made a version of my pancake. This one turned out the best so far. So let me show you guys my snacks. So I brought almonds because I can eat almonds. I brought a pancake because I made pancakes for breakfast this morning, and I brought this as a snack. Apples for Liv because I'm picking her up after I am done here. What else did I bring? I brought cucumbers and carrots. Those are my snacks for today. I had 2 fried eggs and 1 pancake for breakfast. I'm feeling okay this morning. I'm still feeling a little weak, a little bit shaky, but not terrible. I'm frustrated at myself for eating the perfect bar, but also I'm frustrated because I have been eating those perfect bars for over a year now and I have not gotten sick. So I don't eat them anymore. I'll tell you what, I've decided though that I need to start incorporating banana back in and see how it feels, and sweet potato back in to see how it feels, because I need to be able to eat more whole foods. I need to be able to eat more. Like, I am so hungry. I'm weak and shaky. I've lost weight and like I don't have energy to work out at all. Like, I am so exhausted just doing nothing, and it's because I'm not eating enough. But I'm so scared to eat because I cannot eat something bad and be trapped in like a coffee shop and not be able to move, and just, it's not been the vibe, you guys. This is not the vibe going into 2023. So we're, you know, it's gonna get better. We're gonna figure it out. We're gonna move forward. We just gotta figure it out. So today's day 8. This is the last check-in I'm going to do for this. The next video you guys will see that deals with SIBO stuff is going to be a recipes video. So if you guys are interested in SIBO low FODMAP phase 1 recipes, stay tuned. I am trying a ton of new recipes for you guys and filming them all for you. So if this was content that you guys like to see, please don't forget to like and subscribe. I will have videos posted at the end that are relevant to SIBO gut issues. So if you guys need more love and support, if you guys have some gut issues going on or psoriatic arthritis, guys, I got you. I got playlists with all the recipes in it. I also have a psoriatic arthritis, like living with psoriatic arthritis playlist. Go check them out. Get a little bit more love and support from me. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.